Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to activate your GO2 Bank debit card. If you don't have a GO2 Bank account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $50. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see an Activate Card button at the upper part of the screen. Click on the Activate Card button. Next, enter all the required information such as the last 4 digits of your car number, expiration date, last 4 digits of your social security number, and CVV or security code. After that, set up a debit card PIN. Then click on Activate Card. That's how you activate your GO2 Bank debit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.